What's up, guys? You already know what time is it, because today is NFP day, and as NFP is always one of the most important fundamental news in forex trading, we're going to be trading it live. So the strategy I'm going to be using on this particular video is the straddle strategy. So if you haven't watched that part, because I'm just going to be going straight into the news, we have just about 5 minutes before the news is released. But if you haven't watched the video I made, that video has gone viral about the straddle strategy, then just stop this video right now. Watch this video that I'm going to leave the link up here. That is a straddle strategy. So you have to watch the video to be able to understand what is going on. All right, so without even taking much time, let's just dive into the video, because as I said, we have just 5 minutes before the news is released, so we have to make sure all our stops are set. So let me just make sure everything is recording so that we can start. Perfect. Good. So as you guys already know, the most important websites we need investing.com to be able to read our news. You can see today's NFP and it's coming up in 4 minutes. We also need hot forex position calculator to be able to calculate the position. So let's quickly calculate the lot size we're going to be using. So we're going to be using gold. This is NFP, and I always recommend you use gold or GDP USD. So we're going to be using gold, and as you can see, this is a live account. So I'm doing it strictly on a live account. And most of the time I used to use my bigger accounts, and you guys say, no, let me try to do it on a smaller account. So today I'm going to be using my small account, right? If you can check here, let me make sure this thing is recording. Perfect. So as you can see here on my MetaTrader 5, that is a live account. You can see that is my live account right there. That is the account number, the live account number, the same one you're going to see on my computer. Then the balance here is $623. So I want to use a small account. Let's see how much we're going to be able to make or lose on this small account, right? So the balance here is $623, and that is a live account. You can see my history. I've deposited. You can see withdrawals I've made on this account. So let's go. Let's log into MT5 and make sure we have our live account logged in. 7343. Yes, this is the live account. So let's log into the live account, guys. We are almost running out of time. Good. So let's calculate the lot size we're going to be using. So what is our balance again? 623. So let's calculate SAU USD. So the lot size we're going to be using is 1.83. All right, 1.83. As you know, I always like to step down a little bit. So we're going to be using 1.73. So let's come here. Let's put here 1.73. So that is the lot size. You guys already know the strategy. Let's go back here. We're going to be putting our buy stop somewhere here. Our buy stop is going to be going somewhere there. Buy stop. Then our sell stop is going to be going somewhere here at 15 pips. Since this is gold, let's stand on 15 pips. But we need to make sure the trade is not supposed to be triggered before the news is released. So we can keep pushing this down a little bit. Good. So our take profit on this one, we're just going to be, since it's NFP, we're going to be going for 50 pips. 50 pips, right? We're going to be going for 50 pips. So 50 pips take profit. Let's put our take profit. 50 pips is going to be somewhere. Yeah, this is 50 pips. 1711. Good. That is our take profit. Then let's come down here and do the same. Let's modify our take profit here. Is going to be 50 pips, which is 1697. Good. Let's modify. Okay, let's see. Our take profit here is going to be what? Let's see. It's going to be 1698. So let's quickly modify. It's going to be 1698. So let's modify. Good. So you can see this is our take profit for the buy stop and our take profit for the sell stop. And the stop loss, we're going to be going for 20 pips. So our stop loss is just going to be here at 20 pips. The stop loss for both positions is going to be 20 pips. So let's go back to time.is to see how many minutes we have left. We have just about 1 minute before the news is released. So let's go back here and check. Perfect. So we have 30 seconds, just 30 seconds, because the news is going to be releasing at exactly 2:30. So this is 2:29, and the seconds here you have, that is 33. So we have about 27 seconds left. So we go back here. The most important thing is none of the position is supposed to be triggered before the news is released. That's something you guys need to know. None of the positions are supposed to be triggered before the news is released. So you guys need to know that. So let's go back here. Then you can put here, let's go to good. So the news is going to be releasing in a few seconds. So let's go back here and see, boom. So the news is released. Let's go back on investing.com to see what's happening. Let's quickly refresh the page. Okay, so we need to be very careful because you see, NFP is positive and the unemployment rate is negative. So without even looking at what is happening on MT5, we're going to expect something like this. We're going to expect the market bouncing both up and down, because one fundamental is positive and one fundamental is negative. This is what we didn't want to see. We didn't want to see something like this because both of our position might be triggered. We already know. So I wanted to see both green or both red. So let's go here and see what is happening. Perfect. You can see what is happening, guys. We're going to be closing our position. Why? Because this market is going to be going back. It's going to be retracing back. It's going to be retracing back. So let's quickly go back here and I will show you guys what is happening. Let me record this. So we're going to be closing, guys. Our take profit is already hit. Our take profit is already hit on one of the positions. On one of the positions, let's see. Just few pips for our take profit to be hit, guys. Just few pips for our take profit to be hit. Let's see. Let's just hold a couple of minutes and see. Just few pips for our take profit to be hit. Let's see. Remember, NFP is positive, and that's why you see the market is shooting back in the original direction, and it's pulling back very fast. Why? Because unemployment rate is also negative. The market was so fast, that's why you see even our take profit wasn't hit. Our take profit wasn't hit. So we're not too happy about that. So let's just hold a little bit and see, guys. The market is pulling back against us. So let's hold a little bit and see if the market is going to push up a little bit again. Then for this particular position, as soon as I see 600, as soon as I see 100% of my account, I'm going to close. Because you see, the market, one fundamental is positive and the other one is negative. See what I'm talking about? One fundamental is positive and the other one is negative. Meaning one fundamental is going to be telling the United States dollar that the market will go up, and another fundamental will be telling the United States dollar that the market is going down. That's why you see what's happening on the chart, right? So I just want the market to push back. So long as I see about 600 and something, I'm going to be getting out of this trade, guys. I'm going to be getting out of this trade. That's 640 something. Good. It pulled back again. As soon as I see about 600 and something, I'm just going to pull out of this trade. I'm going to pull out. Let's go. Boom. I'm out, guys. Boom. We are done for the day. We just made how much? We just made 100% of our account. That is a small account, guys. You guys have seen that is a small account. You can see that is the same account on the same live account on my phone. Check my computer, guys. That is the same live account on my computer. We are not gambling here. We know what we are doing. That is the same live account. And if I go on my history, you can see that is the position right there. $681 from a $623. So we made exactly 100% of our account balance. That is it, guys. That is it. So if you guys haven't watched this, the video that I made on the strategy, go back to my channel. Just check the link below. I'm going to leave the link again below this particular video. Watch the strategy. That is a live account, and we just made almost $700 within 2 minutes. Not even up to 2 minutes, right? Within 2 minutes, we are already done. We are already out of the market. So what I might do now is I might be able to look for now a reversal. All right, I can be able to go now to the 1 minute time frame. I look for a reversal and I use the Godlove fundamental correction strategy. If you haven't watched the Godlove fundamental correction strategy again, click the link above to watch the Godlove fundamental strategy or check the video below. Because now, what does the Godlove fundamental correction strategy state? It states that after every major momentum move in the market or after an imbalance in liquidity in the market always, most of the time, come back in the opposite direction to counteract that effect. So now, the other thing you might do is you might just sit down, you wait for a reversal in the market to be able to buy on the reversal. But since we are already done for the day, I didn't plan to trade I didn't plan to trade the Godlove fundamental correction. I just wanted to use the strategy, and my main goal was to double my account. That's it. So even some of the times where I used to have $10,000 account, you guys know my main goal just used to be to double my account, to just take the account from $10,000 to $20,000. This account was a $623 because you guys have requested, no, stop trading this on a bigger account because we can only afford to trade it on a smaller account. I was like, okay, good, cool. I'm going to do it now on a very small account. Then I deposited $623 into this account, and that's it. The account now is standing on $1,304. That is the account right there. That's the account, $1,304, and that is the trade right there. We just made $681. So if you're having $10,000, you would have made another $10,000. If you're having $20,000, you would have made another $20,000. That is it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check the link below to be able to join my free Discord community, because before this news even released, I already shared the ideas to my Discord members. So if you want to be able to join my Discord community, make sure you check the free link on this particular video, and also enroll in Godlove University. Check the link below to enroll in Godlove University, because in Godlove University, there's a detailed strategy that will teach you step by step and monitor you along the way to make sure you are able to make money with this particular strategy. Make sure you click here to watch the video on the strategy. Click here to watch the video on the Godlove fundamental correction strategy. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on these other videos. Peace.